How to update personal information on your Costco Citi Card account. Let's get started. Today we are going to guide you through the simple process of updating your personal information on your Costco Citi Card account. Whether you have moved, changed your phone number or need to update any other details, we have got you covered. First things first, log into your Costco Citi Card account on the official website. You will need to enter your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section. This is where you will find options to update your personal information. Within the account settings, look for the personal information tab. Click on it to access the section where you want to make updates. Next, locate the specific information you want to update, such as your address, phone number, or email. Click on the edit button next to that information. Now you will see fields where you can enter your updated information. Simply type in the new details you want to replace with the old ones. Once you have entered the updated information, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the save button or similar option. And there you have it. Your personal information has been successfully updated on your Costco Citi Card account. Thanks for watching. Updating your personal information on your Costco Citi Card account is quick and straightforward. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tips.